Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox the Showsee nose hair trimmer. This model is C1, it's all in the Mandarin wording. Showsee is under Xiaomi brand. Alright, this is a battery powered nose trimmer. Let's unbox this. There you go. Wow. Oh, they include a free AAA battery. Not bad. Let's see this thing. Okay. This is the power button. On, off. This is where you put your nasal. Okay. Close it. Okay, I believe this is a battery enclosure. Alright. Positive, negative. Let's put it inside. Okay, lock it. Let's see how it works. Ooh. So basically this just, you use it and put inside your nasal and you just trim your nasal hair. It pretty works like a shaver. I believe there's a blade inside, a small blade inside, yeah. And it claims that it can be washed. Yeah, the whole thing can be washed. Whole body can be washed. Yep. Alright. Pretty sturdy. Pretty solid. Yeah. It's made from ABS plastic, but it looks solid. It claims that it has a 360-degree rotating floating blades, R-shaped round cutter head, so that you can cut the nose hair around your nasal. Yeah, it's at the blade is a double edge. Alright, and also it's a removable, washable cutter head. Wow, can be removed. Let's see how it goes. Oh, yeah. So this thing, where your hair particles, yeah, you can wash it to remove all the excess hair. Once you're done washing, just simply put it back and voila, there you go, it works. Alright. Came in a brush. The rest of the thing is a brush. Yeah, this is a brush just to, you know, brush off instead of washing. Yeah, this is how you do it. Alright. Okay. This battery can use up to for 60 minutes. Yeah, this is just a normal battery. Yeah, or you can use, perhaps you can, for heavy users, maybe you can use for a rechargeable AAA battery. Yep. Okay, this model is C18K electric nose hair trimmer. Yep, color is only in black. Rated voltage is 1.5 volts, rated power is 2 volt, and rated current is 1 amp. The size is 114 times 19 times 0.7 inch. Yep. So there you go. There's my short review of this hair nose trimmer. Yeah. And of course the price is pretty cheap. You can get it about 10 US dollar. 10 US dollar is that cheap. Alright. Perhaps this is a China brand, but of course it's pretty solid. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.